Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset Bluetooth settings on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you want to reset individual Bluetooth on your iPhone, it is different from how to reset the entire Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. So let's go to this one after the other. First, open the settings app on your iPhone, locate and click on Bluetooth. Then you should see your previously connected devices here once you turn on Bluetooth. Now to reset any of the devices, all you simply need to do is click on the information icon. Then locate and click on forget device. Then click on forget. Now you cannot go ahead and repair this particular Bluetooth to your iPhone. However, if you want to reset all Bluetooth settings on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and click on general. Scroll down, locate and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now locate and click on reset. Then here, you need to reset all settings. Once reset all settings, this is not going to reset your phone to factory default. Rather, it's going to reset all settings on your iPhone, including your Bluetooth network settings. And that is it. So that's exactly how to reset Bluetooth settings on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.